आयची ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जी आसा ती हात से हात जोडो अभियान जो फाल्यांच्यान ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया जो लॉन्च जाता ताचेर डिटेलान विस्तारान सांगपाक आमचे कडेन राजीव गौडाजी आसात.
You have been observing for the last 130 days and more that Sri Rahul Gandhi has been on the Bharat Jodo Padyatra. He started in Kanyakumari, and today 131 days of marching have brought him into the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. On 30th of January, the 75th anniversary of the day we lost Mahatma Gandhi, the day Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. On that day, Sri Rahul Gandhi's Padyatra will culminate in Srinagar, where he will launch the national flag and the party flag in the Congress office in Srinagar, and simultaneously every party office across the country will join him in flying the national and party flags and to commemorate Mahatma Gandhi, the founder of our nation. Now, I have also been on the Bharat Jodo Yatra. My research department produces a background note on every stop so that we are able to understand the issues on the ground and for Sri Rahul Gandhi to address when he interacts with the people, when he interacts with the media, when he interacts with the party workers. And I have seen firsthand the electrifying impact, the energizing force that the Bharat Jodo Yatra has turned out to be. And throughout, from Kanyakumari through Tamil Nadu, through Kerala, through Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, as the march has gone northwards, every day we have seen more and more people join, to the extent that by now more than 1 million people have joined the Bharat Jodo Yatra, and they are going back to their homes, to their villages, to their towns and cities, and telling people about this wonderful mission to heal the nation's wounds, to bring people together once again. And throughout on this march, we have seen people who are not party people who are ordinary citizens, who are the cream of our Indian society, everyone from different fields, from films, from sports, from bureaucrats, civil society, everyone joining hands. Unfortunately, immediately after that, we see that the BJP does exactly what it always does. As soon as a former finance secretary joined the Yatra, the next day they raided his house with some specious charges. Like this, wherever people have joined the Yatra, the BJP has tried to come in the way or tried to take retributive action. That has not stopped brave Indians. Bhagat Singh's descendants have come and joined the Yatra. Generals, retired generals have come and joined the Yatra. Throughout, people are inspired by the example of Sri Rahul Gandhi healing and uniting the nation at a time when the Prime Minister, the BJP and the RSS are dividing the country on the basis of religion and language and caste and whatever other division language that they can find. Now, we have been very, very happy that the people of India have experienced the Bharat Jodo Yatra, but this 135-day Yatra is not able to go to every nook and corner, to every village of this country. Therefore, Sri Rahul Gandhi has announced the launch of a brand new campaign which will start tomorrow on Republic Day and run for one whole month. This is a campaign for the Haath se Haath Jodo Yatra. The Haath se Haath, one side Hindi, one side English. I think, later on we'll show this. But this Haath se Haath Jodo Yatra is going to involve every member of the Congress, and every member of the Congress is going to go to India's lakhs and lakhs of villages And we are going to talk to the people of India. We are going to explain to them what the mission of the Bharat Jodo Yatra was and why it was needed at this time. But along with this, we are going to explain to the people of India why the government has been really failing in its responsibility to build and take India forward. Let me explain what we are going to do along with the message of healing, the message of unity, the message of compassion and inclusion, everything that the Congress stands for and everything that the Constitution of India stands for. That is the positive message that we will be conveying to inspire every one of us that they do not need to despair. We will all come together and overcome the divisions that the BJP, the RSS are trying to foment across the country. And we will use this opportunity to also reveal to the people of India the dismal state of governance under the BJP. What am I talking about? You all know this. You are experiencing this. Let me take one by one. Take the issue of price rise or inflation. Every one of us is hurt by the price rise that we're facing. Where 100 rupees could buy us a good meal or take care of our families when we cooked with our supplies, today only 80 rupees worth of food and vegetables comes for that price. What do? We have to cut down. Our children will start going hungry. Malnutrition and hunger will worsen. And why is this happening? Because the BJP has let the people down and allowed inflation to worsen. Why would it do this? How could it take action, you might ask? Well, since 2014, what have we seen? We've seen what is the price of petrol in the marketplace in 2014 when the Congress-led UPA left office. At that time, diesel was 55 rupees per litre. Today it is 90 rupees per litre.